Yeah, I'm cleaning up my exhaust pipes with some welding pickling paste. And I've already done half my pipes. I don't know, you can get a good look at how that's looking now. I mean, looks like pipes are a few years old versus, go to the other side. I mean, the lighting's not great, but these pipes are like considerably more orange. They're not really rusty, they're just quite oxidized and dirty. Here, I'll go back to the other side. So down here in particular, it's like quite shiny and silver. It worked up here too. There's quite a few stains that were just already there naturally. But this is a like 13-year-old bike, so I wouldn't expect these pipes to look pristine, but it definitely did a good job cleaning them up. I've tried in past years different products to try and clean this, but this acidic pickling paste has been doing a pretty good job. It's nitric acid, I'm pretty sure, and hydrofluoric acid. So it's down there, along with a couple other warning labels. I'm assuming don't eat it, don't get it in your eyeballs or on your skin. Probably really suck, so I've been trying to avoid that, wearing my goggles. Anyways, take you on adventure over to this side. Let's see how well of a job it'll do for the camera. I hope it's spectacular. Alright, so I'm just using this brush that it came with. And I think you can get this stuff at welding supplies. I so happen to find it at work. Last time I applied it, it started to bubble, and there was almost an instant reaction where it immediately looked, I hope we're in focus, there we go, immediately started to look a lot better. Is it changing before your eyes? I'm not sure, it might take a few minutes. The other side, it almost like within a minute, it started to look a lot better. If you know a welder that does stainless steel, I mean, he and or she, I say and or, because you can be either or both if you want. Yeah, they'd probably have some of this stuff. Otherwise, I don't know, Google it. Or show up at my work, and maybe they'll give you a handful and a glove. But you'll have to figure out where I work yourself. I'm not telling. Oh, can you hear that sizzle? I hope you guys can notice that it's looking better. You guys, as if anybody's going to watch this video. I hope I can notice that this is looking better the 24 times I rewatch this after I post it. I'll wipe her down. And if you've got a photographic memory, maybe you can tell it looks better. It actually looks quite a bit better to me. Here, come on, camera, focus. Is it in focus? Maybe, I hope so. You know what? I bet you. I tried to look into this if people were doing this, and I couldn't really find much. And it's probably, maybe there's a reason behind it. Maybe somebody's going to tell me, you're a piece of shit, you ruined your bike. It's done now. But I think my exhaust pipe looks better. And that's what matters. Motorcycling is all about looks. Yep. The third pipe in there looks kind of grungy on this side. I'm gonna apply some. Maybe it'll make it look a bit nicer. I don't know. Oh, this whole time I haven't been wearing my goggles. Jesus Christ, I'm lucky I didn't lose my eyes. Yeah. I don't know. I'll wipe it down some more. And then, anybody who knows anything about science, acids, bases, knows that you can neutralize an acid with a base. I've got the most powerful base in the kitchen. Baking soda. Seems like it's working, I don't know. I just splash it on there until it stops sizzling. Oh yeah, look at this cool experiment I found out. Get it on your driveway. We'll eat a hole straight to China. Not that we want to go to China right now, in the middle of the pandemic. Alright. Yeah, it's just water and a shit ton of baking soda I dissolved in there. That seems to do the trick. Look at that pipe. That's hella clean. That looks good. You know what? Maybe tomorrow my exhaust pipes will be like on the floor, rotted right out, but it's working right now. There it is. That's all I got. Peace.